Xiaomi is highly used mobile phone for its low budget, greatest features nowadays. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can import files directly to SD card in your Xiaomi handset. What's up guys, hope you guys are fine. If you see our videos for the first time, please subscribe our channel. So without making any further delay, let's go to the screen directly. In the screen, we're clicking onto settings option from my phone. Here you can see storage, internal storage is 32 GB, but I have added 16 GB SD card with this phone. Here you can see 16 GB SD card. So now I'm showing you how I can save camera picture, camera videos on Teams, other backups, and all of my gallery items to be saved on my SD card directly. Here are two options named backup and gallery already saved with external storage, but I'll have to also set external storage for camera and theme options as well. So any kinds of videos, gallery items, picture, any kinds of data can be saved on SD card directly in this way. Please subscribe our channel, hit the like button, share as many as possible, and give your comment what kind of video do you want.
The story's over now, I must conclude.